Understanding the Trace of a Matrix, a Simple Guide. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into an interesting mathematical concept called the trace of a matrix. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about mathematics, this video will help you understand what the trace of a matrix is and why it's important. Before we jump into the trace of a matrix, let's first understand what a matrix is. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Think of it like a spreadsheet with numbers. Each number in the matrix is called an element. Matrices are used in various fields like physics, engineering, computer science, and even in everyday calculations. Now, let's talk about the trace. The trace of a matrix is a concept used in linear algebra, a branch of mathematics. It is actually quite simple to understand. The trace is the sum of the elements on the main diagonal of the matrix. The main diagonal is the line of elements that runs from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. So, in short, you just add up those numbers, and that's the trace. You might be wondering, why do we care about the trace? The trace of a matrix has several important properties and applications. It is used in 1. Determining matrix characteristics. The trace can tell us about certain properties of the matrix. 2. In advanced mathematics and physics, it plays a role in areas like quantum mechanics and relativity. 3. In calculations and algorithms, especially in fields like computer graphics and systems theory. Let's go through a couple of examples to see how we calculate the trace of a matrix. Example 1. Consider a 2 by 2 matrix with elements 1, 2 in the first row and 3, 4 in the second row. The trace is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Example 2. For a 3 by 3 matrix with elements 5, minus 2, 1 in the first row, 0, 3, 7 in the second, and 6, minus 1, 2 in the third. The trace is 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. I hope this video has made the concept of the trace of a matrix clearer and more approachable. Remember, it's just the sum of the elements on the main diagonal of a matrix. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.